Hi, it's Jan Berg, and I'm bringing you a quick tutorial on how to add text to your Photoshop projects. So we're going to go ahead and look over here on the toolbar. We have the text tool, so we can go ahead and click on the text tool. And when you click on the text tool, you can see on the menu bar that we have, it goes ahead and tells us what kind of text we have, how big it is. It's 100 point here, it's a blue color. We can also go into the character panel. So if we open up character, we can see the same thing right over here. Okay, so there's lots of different ways to work with your text. We're going to go ahead and choose a font style. I'm going to use this Anchor Jack. And we'll go ahead and click, and I'll type in my word. And you can see that it kind of goes off the page. So I'm going to use my Move tool and slide it over here so I can play with it. And you see that it created a new layer for me. I have my text layer, and that's everything that was done to this particular piece of text. So I have the word happy in this text, and I'm going to make some changes to it. So right here is our thumbnail. If I double click on that, it grabs the text. I can go up here and make changes to the color of my text. Okay, so let's go with this nice bright color. And then I see, I click away from it and it's okay, but I want to add some things to it. So the effects key right here, all these things that have happened to the word text right up here can be done using the effects key on your layers panel. So we're going to go ahead and put a stroke on it, and we'll use the black stroke because that's pretty, it makes it pop. Okay, you can change it, your color of your stroke right here, but we're just going to go ahead and leave it as a black stroke. You can change the size of your stroke using your size button right here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do that. You can add texture to it, and again, you can make changes to what the texture looks like. You can add shadows, satin, overlay. Okay, we don't like the overlay, so we'll go up and do maybe on your bevel and emboss, you want to make some changes there. So all of these are going to give your text some different appearance. Okay, once you have your text the way you want, just go ahead and say okay. The other thing you can do is once you have your text, you can make changes to the size. So if you double click on here, you have a drop down list, and the list goes to 72, but you see that's 100. You can go ahead and just highlight and type in whatever size or number that you need that to be. And then you can just pick it up and move with your move key. You can also do Command T, which is a transform, and you can change the size of your text that way to try and make it fit into the space that you are working with. So that's just a really quick tutorial on how to add text to your projects. Go ahead and play around with it and have fun.